gagawin... Ay, Miranda na naman. Hello guys, what's up? It's your girl, Jay. Because a lot of you guys requested it, I will be doing a makeup challenge. Subscribe. Gagawin natin ang makeup ni Ariana Grande with the help of Miranda Sings. Why Miranda, you ask? Because she is the guru of all the guru. Beauty guru. She's a magician, dancer, singer, along. Yes. She's the makeup guru of all the gurus in town. Not in town, because di mo kayo pares ng town. So, tsaka sabi niya yun sa video niya.
Well, everyone follow my makeup tutorials. I've done tons. Please do them and tag me in them.
Wala namang gumagaya sa kanya. So, andito ako. Gagayan ko siya. Kaya, tweet her. Let's go. Let's get started. But first, to be Miranda, we have to do our lipstick. Red lipstick. It's my lipstick. Like this. Wala akong lipstick. Ito lang meron ako. Yay. Tsaka hindi ito sa akin. Napulot ko lang to dyan sa kanto. Yes! So, we're ready. Let's start. Miranda, what you got, girl?
Hey guys, it's me, Miranda, and today a lot of you on Twitter were asking me to do an Ariana Grande makeup tutorial. I'm going to show you 2 Ariana Grande looks today.
2! Yeah!
The blush. So I have That's Heart palette.
Okay. I don't have that palette, but I have this. You see? May napulot din akong brush. Mura lang to. Doon sa kanto natin. Piso tumpok. So, let's see, Miranda. Pink. Let's brush the pink. Always the pink. You know. Dip it. I don't have a paint brush because we don't have paint. So, I have a brush. Yeah. Dip and then, what you gonna go, girl? Okay.
You should get them on evenly.
Okay. Unevenly. Parang itim ko lalo. Ba't yun? To the left side. Oh no, it's the right side. Yes. Dip, dip, dip. And then the left side. Wow. Wow, I look like Ariana. And even though I don't know, may tangang-hanga na naman sa akin si May. At kung hindi pa to sapat, pwede mo namang sampal-sampalin ang sarili mo. Mamaya, mas effective pa yon. Yes. Yeah, kung nakikita nyo, yan, uneven. Even, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Natutunan naman kayo sa akin.
Now that we've done the blush, we
Yeah.
can move on to the eyes. Ariana has pink lashes eyelashes.
Okay.
Long, beautiful black eyelashes. So, I have the same kind, but if you guys
I don't have.
eyelashes, I'm going to teach you a trick to make it look like you do. You simply take your eyeliner with some.
Okay, eyeliner. I have here. Nasa inyo pala yung eyeliner. Is sharpened. Ako ang humahawak sa Guinness Book of Record na pinakamaliit na eyeliner. Can you see this? Like this. Ow! Stop! Yes, is this long?
You don't have a pencil, or if yours isn't sharpened and it's really pokey, you can use a brush.
Wait! Yes, I think I have same. Yes.
You can just take a bunch and you can use a brush.
This is good. Oh my god. So dip it to the black. Black. Wow. Wow! Ano to? Is this a lipstick? Oh my god. Focus, boy. Focus. Sabi ni Ariana, focus, focus. Di ba? I'm afraid. It's wrong. Yes. Very good. Wow. Ngayon lang ako gumanda ng ganito. Perfect.
Now I look like I have long lashes eyelashes, just like Ariana Grande. And the final thing is...
Wow. Naglahang yung cellphone ko. What the hell? The second. Wow.
The thing about this look is that it can go along with the look we just did.
Wow.
I'll call it.
Two birds. Two birds in one stone. Just like Filipino, we do things in our hands only. Yun. Yeah, is this black? No, my God. Wow. Wow. My God. My God, I look good.
Just use anything black that you can find.
Yes, I don't have black. Yeah, I have gray. I'm sorry. Is this wow? Is this black though? I never looked so good before. Wow, kilikili ko. Ah! I got one less problem without ya. I got one less problem without ya. Last thing, slow mo. Don't forget to tweet Miranda. This looks good, better than her. And that's all I have for you today. Tweet Miranda Sings with this face. Wow, I look good. You can rock this with your party. Halloween party. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like. If you want more, just say, just comment. Sabihin nila. Madali ako kausap. And subscribe. Don't forget. Yeah, bye. See you. Wow, I got one less problem without ya. I got one less problem without ya. Bye. I'm the new Millennial Dora. Let's go.
She got me like